not to cook inside. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoky maple tempeh bacon. I'm going to use my trusty old toaster oven outside in this space where it can cook while I'm in the air conditioning inside. What I'm going to do is take this old thing and line it with some foil and put the marinade in there and slice really thinly the tempeh and show you how to make it.
You will need an 8-ounce package of tempeh, maple syrup, liquid smoke, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and ground cumin. Now I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of Tamari soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and a dash of ground cumin. Now I'm mixing it with the flat end of a small fork. Now it's time to slice the tempeh into thin slices. As you can see, I'm slicing them into 1/4-inch size pieces. Okay, now the tempeh reminds me of a stack of dominoes. I'm spreading out a bunch of dominoes in the marinade. As soon as I fill this tray up, I'm going to wait a few minutes until the marinade soaks for a little bit. Now it's time to flip them over. As soon as I'm done flipping them over, I'm going to take them outside to the toaster oven. The toaster oven will be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to set the timer for about 20 minutes. Now one side looks all toasty, but they're not done yet because I have to flip them over again. They're too hot to flip over with my fingers, so I'm using this tool. But then eventually I'm going to use my fingers. Ouch, it's hot. I couldn't wait. And you can see how they just soaked up all that sauce. There's no extra sauce left. Now it's at 350 degrees for another 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, now it's done. Let's see how this turns out. Okay. This is so good. This is so good. You can make BLT sandwiches with this or whatever else you want to make with it. So let me know how this is like a tongue twister. Smoky maple tempeh turned out. I'm going to be doing more recipe videos in the future, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. Bye.